Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Well, we have some good news. And here it is. She's back. It's been a while. But she is finally back home in the driveway. AEM V2 Standalone ECU. 850cc injectors. Walbro 450 fuel pump. Mishimoto Oil Catch Can. Tial 44mm Wastegate. It's under the car, or I would show you. But she's finally back home. Get a little startup video for you here. Nice idle now. And here's a few videos my tuning guy Carlos sent me of the two-step and the dyno. Guys, thanks for watching, and that'll be all for this video, but stay tuned because lots more content coming with this pretty girl flying high.